My bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be. Today I'm gonna be working on this chair that my sister and I got out of the dumpster at Burlington's. Originally the chair, I think it had a missing wheel, and because they couldn't sell it, they cut it up and threw it out back, and we caught them throwing it out back and put it in the car. So on Amazon, they had the wheels that look similar to this chair for like, I think $12 for like a 5-pack. So I ordered the wheels and they're coming today. That's what y'all see, they here today. And my sister is installing a new wheel, and next we're gonna upholster the chair.
Liz, get away from me. I want to see you scoot that ass. Let me see you scoot that ass. Scoot. 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 Her big sister bought that for her, y'all. Look at her. She's so happy. She's so happy. Look at her. It's her happy face. She happy. Look at me. Alright, back to the chill. Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch, nigga. Your daughter.
Your daughter.
Your daughter, nigga. Fuck that bitch.
Now my sister got her a little cute chair to put in her room. And now I just have to buy her bum ass a desk.
Yep.
Let me see you scoot it. Let me see you scoot that ass. Scoot! 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 Scoot!
This is what we're working with so far. I found that material on Amazon for $9.99 a yard. So I'm gonna just one day of some material, and we will reupholster the couch next, the cushions part next. And after this, I'm going outside, y'all, because this has been my little flower light setup since I moved in. And the season's changing, so I kind of wanted to add some fall color and some fall decoration. So I went and I spent $20 to upgrade the front of my house at Dollar Tree. $20, that's it, y'all. So come on and watch me put out my new fall decor just for the front. We'll do the porch some other time.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Where you been at, Ryan? Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho.
Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the QP.
And this is the final look, y'all. I got 4 or 5 pumpkin lights, some burlap daisies, the scarecrows, and some fall wildflowers that I added. And yeah, $20 Dollar Tree, you can't beat it. Thank you for watching my video. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb?